This is my Seiko mod root beer, and this is my Kawasaki Ninja 636 ZX-6R. I'm sorry if the camera angle is a bit rubbish. I'm still getting used to it, and I'm still getting used to the new sound system, so I'll probably improve that, don't worry. But this bike is pretty incredible. 636cc, 114 to 130 brake horsepower. I don't know the exact figure, but that's what I keep seeing online. This one's got an exhaust on it. It's got other stuff which I don't know, but for insurance reasons aren't there, because I didn't actually know what they were when I first bought them. But this is the view from the front of it, and I think it looks mean, and it's great. It's a great bike. I love it. I enjoy it. I'm going to get out on it. The sound might be terrible, so I apologise about that. But the main things you got to think of is insurance. Ninja insurance are more expensive in the UK. Well, it's got a big tyre in the back, so you got more money for big tyres. Double brakes at the front, but it's fast, and it cost about £2.5 grand for 0 to 60 in 3.2, if I remember rightly. So a seriously quick bike, and a seriously good bike for the time. So I'm just checking that no one's going to try and rob me while that learner's doing his business. Seriously quick bike for the time, and still a quick bike now. I really like it. It's got a pretty decent seating position. It's reliable. I've been ragging it, and it's a 20-year-old bike now. 2005 is 20 years ago. I am getting old, but this bike is really good. None of this is going to be edited. You're going to see exactly how I see it, and I'm riding. I'm still new to riding, so don't expect some mad wheelies and all that stuff. But overall, what's my thoughts on the bike? I really like it. For the money, and for your first proper bike, it's incredible. If you want to get 1000cc after it, fair enough. But for the time being, this will do you. You weren't meant to see my race plate then, so if you did, delete yourself. But this one sounds decent as well. You've got your little cluster there, which actually tells you when to change gear, oil, indicators, all that stuff. It does have a horn and everything you want on a bike, but it doesn't have anti-wheelie and all that good stuff. You might see yourself here, so I'm going to try and get rid of that for you so you don't have to watch yourself. Actually, sack it, you can stay there. If you do manage to hear me, I'll be impressed. I will shout to make it as best I can. If it's awful, just enjoy me riding around on said bike and looking. But, oh, that's it. Didn't put the kickstand away. Too excited to ride a bike. Exit, out. So I'll give it a little pull now. Let me adjust the camera so you can see what's happening. But the bike can pop a bang. Know how to ride a bike to ride said bike, and I'm going to be riding around residential streets, so I'm not going to do anything too silly. Anyway, you know what I mean. I'll hop on the motorway for a minute. You will not hear anything. But anyway, more about this bike. 22,000 miles. It cost me £2.5 grand or 2,600. Pretty good as a beginner big bike. I had a bike before this. But you'll see now as we get on the motorway, we're about to get off in the right gear. Yeah, you've got to have autism to ride a bike. I'm well aware that video was pretty shocking. So you're in my terrible garage. Well, it's not terrible. It's a garage. But anyway, you want to know about this bike. The Kawasaki ZX-6R 2005 is a good bike. And here's a better visual view of it. You've got Scorpion exhaust. That centre exhaust, it just is nice, better than the side ones. Coming out the back, it just makes it feel more sporty, especially when you got that big old tyre on the back. You got a good seating position. Let me get a video of the front of it, because I recall that my video at the front of the bike was pretty poor. But look at that. I'll double check you can see it on the thing. You can, great. But look at the front of it. It's got the nicer lights. The older generation had worse lights, especially the ones in the 90s. It was just like a box here. Still making sure I can see it. Yeah, you can see me. It had like a box light here. If you ever seen, if you're into weightlifting, Ronnie Coleman was riding it with the box light at the time. That's the one I remember. But anyway, you came to have a look at this bike, not that bike. Sorry about the plane. It's got dual disc and calipers at the front, which you need to stop this bike. The only thing which is a bit naff is, one, the colour, getting black if you can. These lights look a bit meh. The wing mirrors, could you get better ones? Maybe get some coming off the side, maybe change that. Maybe better wing mirrors, change that to black, and it would look really mean. Well, it would look mint. I think Kawasaki green's okay. This is not Kawasaki green, obviously, but Kawasaki green's okay, but this in all black looks bad, man. So get in all black if you can. Any stats that I've missed, I'm not sure. It cost me 2,600 plus 200 quid delivery for 22,000 miles. For the amount of bike you get for that money, it's incredible. So definitely go for it. You feel mint riding it. You feel like you look mint riding it. Whether you do or not, it's a different question. But it's a good feeling, and I enjoy it. And will I keep it for a while? I think so. But I say that about everything, and then 12 months time I get bored. I'm not bored of this. I'm really enjoying it, and I just want to get out as much as I can. But I'm aware the video was shocking, so apologies. I will try and do a better video in future when I've got better gear, if I decide to do it. I'll do a video on servicing it. I've not had to service this thing as of yet, and I'm ragging it about, so maybe they've all been ragged about. Probably all have, but the strong bikes, reliable, quick, and look good. I mean, what else do you want in a bike? If there's anything else you want me to do, let me know. I'm going to be doing the little side bumper bits if you ever drop it, and try and figure that out and film it. Don't like, don't subscribe, don't do any of that, because these videos are pretty poor. And if this video gets no views, I probably won't be doing any more anyway. So there you go. But should you get the bike? Yes. Should you stop watching this video? Yes. Enjoy your evening. Thanks for watching. Bye.